Welcome to our channel Natural Recipes. Today, we're diving into an essential mineral that your body might be begging for without you even realizing it. That's right, we're talking about magnesium. Stick around as we uncover 12 unusual signs that indicate you might be deficient in magnesium. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is muscle cramps and spasms. If you frequently experience sudden, painful cramps or muscle twitches, it might be your body's way of crying out for more magnesium. This mineral helps with muscle function and relaxation, so when you don't get enough, your muscles can rebel. Feeling unusually tired and weak? Magnesium deficiency might be to blame. This mineral is crucial for energy production, so when you're low on magnesium, your energy levels can take a hit, leaving you feeling drained even after a good night's sleep. Anxiety, depression, and mood swings can also be linked to low magnesium levels. Magnesium plays a role in regulating neurotransmitters that affect your mood. If you're feeling unusually anxious or down, it might be worth checking your magnesium intake. Struggling with high blood pressure? Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, promoting healthy blood flow. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to tightened blood vessels, contributing to hypertension. An irregular heartbeat, or arrhythmia, can be another sign of magnesium deficiency. This mineral is vital for maintaining a regular heart rhythm, and a lack of it can cause palpitations or irregular heartbeats. Struggling with insomnia or restless sleep? Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that are involved in sleep, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're tossing and turning at night, low magnesium levels might be the culprit. Frequent headaches or migraines can also indicate a magnesium deficiency. This mineral helps relax blood vessels in the brain, and without enough of it, you might experience more headaches. Magnesium is essential for bone health, aiding in the absorption of calcium. A deficiency can weaken your bones, increasing the risk of osteoporosis, especially in older adults. Experiencing numbness or tingling sensations in your limbs? Magnesium plays a role in nerve function, and a deficiency can cause these strange sensations, often in the hands and feet. Struggling with memory and concentration issues? Magnesium is involved in brain function and cognitive processes. Low levels can lead to brain fog and difficulty concentrating. Magnesium plays a crucial role in digestive health, aiding in enzyme functions that help break down food. A deficiency can lead to digestive problems like constipation and bloating. Lastly, a weak immune system can be a sign of magnesium deficiency. This mineral supports the immune system, and low levels can make you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Now that you know the weird ways your body might be screaming for magnesium, it's time to take action. Incorporate magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains into your diet. You can also consider magnesium supplements, but always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. See you in the next video.